Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about fine haircut ideas. Fine haircut can be beautiful, soft and stylish when you choose the right haircut. Many people with fine hair feel their hair look flat or thin, but the right haircut can volume, shape and confident add. In this video we will share easy and stylish haircut ideas that work perfectly for fine hair. Let's start with the layered haircut. Soft layers are one of the best choice for fine hair. They remove extra weight and help the hair move naturally. Light layers around the face make hair look fuller and give a fresh, youthful look. Next is the bob haircut. A classic bob is perfect for fine hair because it makes hair look thicker at the end. A chin length or shoulder length bob adds texture and shape. You can wear it straight for a clean look or slightly wavy for more volume. A bob haircut is simple, elegant and easy to manage. Now let's talk about pixie cut. Short pixie haircut are great for fine hair because they create instant volume. Short layers on top and make the hair look fuller and stylish. A pixie cut is perfect for women who want a bold, modern and low maintenance hairstyles. Another beautiful option is long layers with soft waves. Fine hair looks amazing with styled with gentle waves. Long layers prevent hair from looking flat and heavy. This haircut adds movement and gives a natural healthy appearance. It is perfect for women who love long hair but want more body. Let's move on the cotton bangs and side bangs. Bangs are a great way to add volume to fine hair. Cotton bangs frame the face beautifully and make hair look thicker at the front. Side swept bangs are soft and stylish and blend easily with any haircut. The lob haircut, also known as the long bob, is another excellent choice. It falls between the chin and shoulder and gives fine hair a fuller shape. The lob is modern, trendy and very easy to style. It works well for both casual and formal looks. Now let's talk about blunt cut. Styling is also very important for fine hair. Blow drying with a round brush can add lift at the roots. Using light styling products help add volume without making hair heavy. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.